Ever wake up after 8 hours of sleep and still feel like you've been hit by a truck? It's that heavy mental fog that sleep just doesn't touch. And the confusing part is, you're not even doing that much. You haven't run a marathon, you haven't been digging ditches, you've just been existing. So you start thinking, what's wrong with me? Why am I so lazy? Nothing is wrong with you, but something is happening to your mind that nobody properly explains. Mental tiredness doesn't come from doing hard things. It comes from never fully resting your attention. The open loop crisis. Think of your brain like a computer. Every time you check a notification, read a headline, or watch a 10-second reel, you are opening a tab in your mental browser. In psychology, this is known as the Zeigarnik effect. Our brains are hardwired to remember and obsess over unfinished tasks. In the past, we finished things. We read a newspaper, we finished it. We watched a movie, it ended. But today, your feed never ends. You see a clip of a recipe, then a news tragedy, then a meme, then a work email. You never finish any of it. Your brain stays stuck in these open loops, spinning its wheels in the background, trying to process data that has no conclusion. By noon, you have 100 tabs open. No wonder your system is crashing. The death of micro-boredom. Here's a hard truth. Doing nothing used to rest the brain. Now it doesn't. Think about how your day actually looks. You wake up, and before your brain even fully wakes up, it's already reacting. Messages, news, content, opinions. You haven't even left your bed, but your brain is already working. We've eliminated micro-boredom. Those tiny gaps in the day, waiting for coffee, sitting in an elevator, standing in line, used to be when our brains cleared the cache. Now we fill every 10-second gap with a screen. We've traded our recovery time for low-quality stimulation. Your brain doesn't see scrolling as rest, it sees it as unpaid labor. Overstimulation versus fatigue. This is the part most people get wrong. Overstimulation feels exactly like fatigue. When your nervous system is constantly hit with dopamine spikes from infinite scroll platforms, it eventually goes numb to protect itself. This is brain fog. It's not that you can't think, it's that your attention is scattered in 1,000 directions. Imagine trying to listen to one quiet voice in a room where 50 people are screaming. That's your brain right now. You try to focus on work or a book, but you can't, so you feel tired. But you're not tired, you're crowded. Your mental space is full of noise that doesn't belong to you. The path to clarity, the open transition. So, how do we fix it? You don't need more caffeine, and you don't need a hustle culture speech. You need reduction. The solution is to bring back the open transition. The 20-minute rule. No screens for the first 30 minutes of your day. Let your brain boot up without outside opinions. The phone-free gap. Next time you're waiting for something, don't pull out your phone. Just be bored. It will feel uncomfortable, almost like an itch. That itch is your brain finally starting to close those open tabs. Single tasking. If you're eating, eat. If you're walking, walk. Stop multitasking your relaxation. The conclusion. If you're always tired, it doesn't mean you're weak. It usually means your mind hasn't had a moment of true silence in a very long time. Real rest feels boring at first, but on the other side of that boredom is your energy, your focus, your life. Stop treating every empty moment like a problem that needs filling. Those empty moments are where you recover. Once you give your brain that silence, real silence, not digital noise, you'll feel the difference, not instantly, but clearly. If this resonated with you, leave a comment below. What's one empty moment you're going to reclaim today? Thanks for watching.